What's up, guys? It's AwesomeMan283. So today I went to Meyer and I got some stuff. So I got these sleeves because I'm gonna need them. I got this Dark Explorers blister pack with Lucario and Riolu, and then I got a Forces of Nature box with the full art Landorus and the reverse Thundurus and Tornadus. So I'm just gonna open these sleeves. And I'm gonna start this box. So let me just take off this wrap. My brother's in here, so that's why if you'll hear something, that will be it. Alright. So I'm just gonna open this now. There we go. Sorry, it's kind of hard to open. I haven't really made a video in a while, guys. Sorry about that. I've just been really busy for a while. Okay, so we have these. Okay, so we have a Call of Legends pack and 2 Black and White Emerging Powers. So I'm going to take 3 sleeves. I'm going to put the cards in there. Okay, so let me just, okay, so they fall out easily. Alright, okay, so here we go. Nice, pretty good. Where did I put the other ones? There. And then the full art Landorus. Let me just pop out a bit. Alright, hold on. This might take a little bit. I don't want to destroy it. There we go. Full art Landorus. It's kind of twisted or bent a bit, but it'll do. Okay. So we have the full art Landorus, which is the only really full art Landorus in the world. It's got I'm not even going to pronounce that. You guys can just read it. We also have the reverse Thundurus promo. They're all promos, so there's that. And that was my parents and my sister. And then we have the reverse Tornadus. So, pretty good, I have to say. I mean, it'll do. I'm just going to set these to a side. Now, I guess we could start with a Call of Legends. I haven't opened one of these at all in my life, so this will be a first time opening Call of Legends. Here we go. There we go. Let me just put this here, and the card trick. Here we go. Alright, so we got Eevee, Houndour, I don't know, Mawile, Totodile, Mime Jr., Copycat, Flaffy, a reverse Relicanth, I think that's just an uncommon, and the rare is a Meganium. That's nice. Pretty good. So now we got Emerging Powers. Try not to destroy these. That's my sister. If I haven't already said that. There we go. Alright. Code card. Okay. We got Roggenrola, Joltik, Gothita, Purloin, Contney, Swadloon, Cinccino, Bianca, a reverse Swadloon, and a Lipard. Not too bad. I guess. I don't really know. So the final pack of this box. Here we go. Whoops, sorry about that. Go. There we go. Here we go. There. Ducklet, Seawaddle, Minchino, Pansage, Purloin, Bianca, Ferrothorn, Sock, Max Potion Reverse, and a Scolipede. So, the box, I don't want to say good, but I guess it'll do. It's, I don't know, I could say it's fair. Like, alright. So now, we have the... I don't know, now get out of here. You're not gonna find it. Hurry up and get out of here. Sorry, that was my sister.
I am not annoying.
I never said you were.
Well, you have before.
Just don't talk, okay? I'm trying to do this and like, you're kind of like...
Where's your stupid set return?
I don't know, okay?
Mom said I didn't refill it.
I don't know where it is and I already told you that. You didn't believe me. Okay, Kaylee, you need to get out of here. Alright, look. Oh my god. Okay. So.
Well, when you're ready, here's a refill.
Let me know when I find it.
Yeah, let me know.
Okay, now that that's over, let me just put the Riolu and Lucario in a sleeve. Let me just pull out some sleeves. Here we go. So we have, whoops, forgot to get this out of the way. So we have the Riolu promo. I don't know why it's a promo. It's like, there's really nothing to it. And then we have the Lucario, which is nice. It's from Black and White. But Next Destinies. I don't know why I said Black and White. So we have a sampler pack, which this will be the first sampler pack I ever opened, because I've never opened one. And then we have a Dark Explorers pack, so I'm just going to open this sampling pack. There really shouldn't be anything good in here. I mean, it's just a sampler. But, you know, you never know what could happen. Go. So we got a Chansey, Drillbur, and a Larvesta. And then this to show, like, it's just like a checklist, pretty much. That's it. That's really all to it. And on to the final pack of the day, after I move everything. There, okay. So now on to the final pack of the day. Let me just move these out of the way as well. Okay. So now to the final pack of the day. The Excadrill Dark Explorers pack. I've had some pretty good pulls out of these. So let's hope for a good pull out of this one too. Ah, come on. Just open it like this. Guess I really wanted... I don't know. Really. There we go. Whoops, code card. 1, 2, 3, 2. Here we go. Final pack. A Plusle. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to say anything. Larvesta. Woobat. Eevee. Sorry, Clink. Dark Patch. Herdier. Vanillish. Professor Juniper Reverse. Ooh, nice. Kyogre EX. Need to pull out a sleeve for this one. That is nice. First EX I've ever gotten out of this set. That is nice. That is a good way to end this. This is a pretty good card. I don't know if it's really playable, but it's pretty good. That is so cool. Nice. I like that card. It's pretty good. So it's got Smash Turn, and it's got Dual Splash. It's pretty good, I guess. But that was the best way to end this. So, for the polls today that were good, that Kyogre EX, that was the best poll ever. I think that was the only good poll. So, anyway, guys, I'll try to do some more videos later on the months. But that's pretty much about it. I don't really know anything else I'm going to do. I mean, just the videos. That's really what's going to happen for the rest of my life, I guess. I don't know. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching.